Leveling out the chassis here so that we can do the front suspension today. As you can see, the rear suspension is mocked up and mostly welded in. We need to do crossbar and everything else. Before we even do that, we're gonna do the front so that we know everything fits and articulates how we want. And then we'll finish weld things and add more supports and a roll bar and all that.
Just width-wise, where our control arms are going to lie just inside of here.
Yeah.
So they will not really be able to go above level. Yeah, we're gonna have to do what we talked about, bring them in to at least this width.
We're gonna have to also, I don't know what height this needs to be at too, in relation to that. We should figure out the height of the center of the control arm in relation to the center of that. It's actually in our favor.
So we can put it right to the bottom of this,
yep,
and it'll be the right height.
How does that work out? I mean, seriously.
We planned that from the beginning.
Yeah, we planned that from the beginning. If I haven't said it once, I'll say it again. We've been making this up as we go entirely. We have an idea in our heads. We haven't drawn anything, so it's like a different image in our heads too.
Okay.
There we go, that's better. About there, center.
About there, yeah, okay. And then steering rack, we need to find bolts.
We don't even need to find bolts.
But we do need to find a tool.
Okay.
17, actually.
I can walk through here.
Here, I got a tool, finger wrenches.
He just called himself a tool. I got him. Today's the day where I'm gonna harass Tony to see if he can break him out of his shell. I'm gonna do the thing he does to me every day where he analyzes every single thing I say and uses it against me in the court of law. Except this is the court of kraws.
But I think we're gonna have to take the rack loose so you can spin it.
Now, there's a will, there's a way.
Okay.
Now,
that might be the way.
That might be the way.
Or your will.
This is the way. Wait, this is the way? Hang on. All right, I'm ready now. This thing is very not comfortable.
Yeah.
But I do feel prepared. Okay, I'll do this side a while. Gotta like get all dramatic. Oh my goodness. Let's leave this here for now. Sure that'll make it come back.
You know what?
I guess what we could do is just take the flat bar, run it along the base of that, let's weld it to this and put a hole in it. We also need to and cut this off.
Right, yeah, we said we want that, yeah.
Yeah.
At this width.
So what we should probably do is tag team this. All right, I'll start cutting this.
Okay.
Got plug weld in the center. Got beads in the end and a bead in the other end. That's plenty. 1392. Wow. 1393 maybe. Yeah, 1393. It's close enough. 1 millimeter.
Yeah.
That'll change anything we're gonna line it. So we actually are square. This is actually a straight. These two are perfect. How did that happen to the axle?
Because we're careful.
Yes, we were careful. 1, 2, 3. That's about there. There.
Yep, right there.
Okay. There, boom, it's done. Let's hold it up and weld it. Back in the middle. Look at that. All right, so now we can use our jig here.
I think.
Backwards.
Right?
I mean, yeah, let's look at our rear holes there.
Yeah, get it square.
Our mounts, yeah. So this is a jig that we have. We replace front pans on 911s and 914s, and that's pretty much it. When you cut out the support, you have to relocate the suspension point so it doesn't bind. So we're gonna repurpose that and flip it around, and then we can know where to put our mounts. Saves us a lot of time.
There we go.
It's branded time.
All of a sudden I'm hungry for hibachi.
Everybody okay? Good enough to me. There you go. Flashy chassis. Flashy chassis. Sounds like a stripper.
I thought you were falling.
I am. Falling into the cool. That was the most uncool thing I've ever said on camera.
I don't think I can compete with that, honestly.
Delete this. We have the Youngling Slayer 9000 over here. We printed up our new plate for the car here, the 9 1/4 hunting car. Surprise, we've titled it. The Porsche made a hunting car back in what? Was that World War II, Tony?
At the end, yeah.
At the end of World War II, they made a hunting car, so we're going to be modeling loosely after that, after we finish the chassis. So you can look forward to that. We're gonna make a body for it. I think we should christen this. What do you think?
I think it's time.
It's time. Let's pop her on. It moves. It's got loops stuff up.
Yeah. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, let's get it running first. Break it a bunch, and then we'll put a body on it.
Okay.